What exactly are eating practices? There are conscious behavior that shape our relationship with food. These include things like mindful eating, making informed choices about what we consume, focusing on whole group, and being aware of the ingredients that aren't good for us. Essentially, it's about being intentional with our food choices. What are the importance of these eating practices? Well, they are vital for preventing chronic diseases and improving our overall quality of life. By adopting healthy eating practices, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing conditions like heart diseases, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Now, let's dive into the key components of healthy eating practices. The first of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is that provides all the essential nutrients of our body need to function properly. So, think of it's giving your body like a fuel to run smoothly. Organization like World Health Organization or WHO offer guidelines to help us achieve this balance. You've probably seen guidelines visualized like food pyramid or food plate. And here is the under imbalanced diet. Prioritize whole foods. A cornerstone of a balanced diet is prioritizing whole food. This means basing your meal around the fruit, vegetable, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. This also supports healthy digestion. The second one is the choose lean proteins. Now, let's talk about protein. It's important to include lean protein sources in your diet, such as fish, egg, beans, and lean meats. Protein is crucial for repairing body and providing essential minerals. And the third one is the OTP for healthy fats. Fats often get a bad rap, but healthy fats are actually essential for our health. Aim to replace saturated fat with unsaturated fat. Good sources of unsaturated fats include olive oil, soy oil, and canola oil. And the last one is the limit unhealthy ingredient. Finally, it's important to limit our intake of unhealthy ingredients. This means reducing added sugar, excess salt, and saturated and trans fat. Consuming too much of this ingredient can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. And that's all for the balanced diet.
Dumako naman tayo sa mindful eating. Ngayon, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang mindful eating? Ano ang kahulugan na to? At bakit natin ito isagawa? No? Ang mindful eating and other healthy practices plays a vital role sa pag-maintain ng ating good health at overall well-being. These habits ay ini-encourage tayo para sa awareness, balance, and discipline when it comes to food choices and lifestyle. By definition, mindful eating means being fully present during meals and paying attention to what and how we eat. It helps improve our digestion, prevent overeating, and build a positive relationship with food. No, paano nga ba natin masasabi na we are mindful sa ating mga kinakain? Firstly, we need to eat slowly. Sa pagkain ng mabagal or at a pace, we chew food well and avoid rushing. Sa pamamagitan nito, it allows our body to recognize fullness and improve digestion. Second is eliminate distraction. Sa pamamagitan nito, ma-enjoy natin ang ating mga pagkain. Makakapag-focus tayo sa pamamagitan ng pagsara ng ating mga devices and avoiding multitasking. The next is pay attention to hunger cues. Kumain pag gutom at tumigil when you feel satisfied, not overly full. The next is savor your food. Appreciate natin yung each bite by noticing its flavor, aroma, and texture. This builds gratitude for your meal and promote satisfaction. Now, dumako naman tayo sa other healthy practices. Beyond mindful eating, adopting other healthy habits support a balanced and sustainable lifestyle. Now, ano nga ba yung mga practices na dapat natin isagawa para maging healthy sa mga pagkain? First is, plan your meals. Sa pamagitan nito, ma-prevent natin yung unhealthy eating decision. So, ang sample dito ay pag-prepare ng weekly menu na may vegetable, fruits, and protein-rich material. The second practice is pagluto sa bahay or cook at home. Home-cooked meals give us the control sa mga ingredients and mga portion. Unlike sa pag-order sa fast food, alam natin yung mga healthy and mga nilalagay na mga ingredients. Ang sunod na practice ay don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating and low energy. Sample nito ay pagkain ng nutritious breakfast, katulad ng mga oatmeal and fruit to stay energized. The next is snack wisely. Pumili ng mga healthy snacks to maintain energy and reduce junk food cravings. And lastly, ay ang pagbasa ng mga food labels. Sa pamamagitan nito, we are informed sa mga nutrition facts sa mga binibili nating produkto. Ang mga produktong magandang piliin ay pagpili ng mga produktong may low sugar, low sodium, at minimal na trans fats.